Hey there, Megan and Ryan here. Thank you so much for taking the time to enter your email address on the previous page. We just want to take about a minute of your time to introduce you to what we believe is the best way to finally start seeing some success online. Because there is a good chance that if you ever thought about making money online or starting a side hustle, this might not be your first time. The truth is, like most people, you may have failed in the past. We completely understand. We've been there. We know how it feels to struggle. First of all, unfortunately, that is part of the process. Second of all, it's probably not even your fault because most of the information you get from places like YouTube and webinars is bad. And this is true because most of the gurus are giving you information that doesn't tell you the whole truth. We're sure you have seen these before where they paint an opportunity for you that looks fantastic. But then you get in and it's a lot harder than it looks. What's even worse is that a lot of time these scammers are teaching you how to do one thing, but they make all of their money by selling courses. We too have been a victim of those scamming webinars and false promises that nobody stands behind. Luckily, we finally found something different, something new that actually works. Listen, the key is high-ticket affiliate marketing. That's why Legendary Marketer can be so crucial to your success. This opportunity that we're sharing with you today was put together by a guy named Dave Sharp. If you click on the button that's on this page, you're going to see a quick presentation so you can get more information. You'll learn about his background and how he wants to help share his 8-figure business model with you. Also, you'll clearly see why high-ticket affiliate marketing is the answer that you've been looking for. So right now, go ahead and click on the button to watch this presentation and see if this is the opportunity that you've been looking for. Remember, if you want to live the dream life that you desire and deserve, you have to take action. And the first step of taking action is to click on the button that's on this page and go watch this presentation from Dave. We think he is going to really open your eyes to the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing. We're excited for you. This is a hot opportunity that is helping countless men and women become successful online. Now's the best time to jump on board, but don't decide just yet. The first step is to simply click on the button and watch that presentation so you can see for yourself if high-ticket affiliate marketing is the right opportunity for you.